Hey, welcome back to No Gears, No Glory. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my next favorite tool. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Torq brand rotary polisher and buffer. This is going to be for the shop and moving into doing some more of the automotive paint and repair that I would like to be doing. And to do that, you need more of a professional style buffer system. And that's what this is. I got this particular setup from Amazon, which I will link below. Within this comes as a complete kit with the buffer, polishes, and multiple buffing pads, which we'll go over to be able to do every step of the polishing system so that you come out with a professional finish. Let's dig in. I have not yet removed anything from this box. I've only opened it to confirm the product was inside. So the first thing we start with out of this box is microfiber cloths. 3 16 by 16 microfiber blue cloths. These are Chemical Guy brand. This comes with one hook and loop style buffer wheel. I believe this is a 4-inch or a 5-inch. We got one red hook and loop style buffing pad. This is for finishing. We have the blue pad with the hook and loop style system. Also for glaze and polish. We have the orange pad. Again, all these are going to be hook and loop style. Medium pad for cutting. We have our white pad for light, medium buffing and polishing. Kit also comes with a couple of different spray. This particular one is a polishing pad cleaner. This helps keep our pads clean after use. This is our polishing pad conditioner. Again, all this is Chemical Guy stuff, and Chemical Guys actually has a really good product line. I've been really excited to give it a try. And then our final buffing pad is a finishing pad for wax and sealants. This is a black pad, again, hook and loop style. Our final piece of this puzzle is our Torq polisher. This is a rotary orbital style polisher, and I'm excited to pull this out. This is going to be fun. First impressions, it's actually boxed very nicely. It's got a good finish. It's in there pretty tight. It's wrapped up really nicely. Actually kind of impressed. We got our instruction manual, and this is not a brushless system, so it actually comes with 2 additional brushes in this kit and a tool to change the buffer wheel. And at last, the buffer itself. Here is our actual buffer itself. Now, this particular model has a multi-speed system. It has a soft start so that it works up to speed so that you don't sling any of your product around as you're trying to do buffing. Has a nice comfortable supportive head, and then it has the spots here so that you can change out your brushes, because again, this is not a brushless motor. Now this particular model of buffer goes from 1200 to 4200 RPM. It's about 6800 watts. Now this particular model operates at 1200 to 4800 RPM. It has a 5-inch backing plate with hook and loop style connection system that'll basically accommodate any hook and loop style buffing pads. So if you need to replace these, you don't necessarily have to use the Torq brand pads. You can get any hook and loop style. I recommend not going too much larger than the 5 to 6 inch pad. This is meant to accommodate pads of that size. The particular weight of this model is not quite 5 pounds, it's just a hair under. It is a comfortable operating weight. However, I can imagine that with the weight of this, you're gonna let it do most of the work, but it may get a little fatiguing over a certain amount of time as it's not super light. It seems to have a pretty decent amount of cord length. I believe it's 8 feet. I may be wrong about that. However, most of the time when you're operating on a vehicle, it's going to be in a garage or in your driveway. And in any case, you're going to need an extension cord. Well, this has been my review and unboxing of my new Torq and Chemical Guys orbital buffing kit. Again, I got this from Amazon. Link is in the description below. I'm super excited about this new tool, and I will give you guys an update soon on my first usage and my impressions of actually using the product. But this is going to be a great addition to the garage, great addition to my channel, and as always, thanks so much for joining me here at No Gears, No Glory. I appreciate your time and your viewing. We'll see you here again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.